Hey, what's up YouTube? The Paradox Nerd here. Welcome back to my channel, and in this video, I'll be unboxing what could possibly be Female Statue of the Year. Coming up next. Hey guys, welcome back. So a couple things before I do my unboxing. As a character, I didn't really follow Red Sonja too much. And I'm going to be honest with you guys, this is the first time I actually picked up a statue or a collectible that I had no idea about. And here's my reason why. When I went to New York Comic Con, I stopped by the Sideshow Collectibles booth. And there were three things that caught my eye. The Iron Man Mark II, the Iron Man Mark III, the Wolverine Premium Format, and Red Sonja. Red Sonja was the highlight of the whole booth, in my opinion. Every time I left, I always wanted to come back and take some more pictures and video of Red Sonja. And I told myself, like, that is the premium format I'll be getting next year. Now, my boy went to San Diego Comic Con last year, and he told me out of the whole booth, the whole Sideshow Collectibles booth, Red Sonja was the one that caught his eye. He called it like the most underrated statue in that whole booth. Okay, so enough of me rambling on and why I picked up Red Sonja. Let's go straight into the unboxing, starting off with the packaging. As you can see, really cool art box, really loving the red that's like kind of all around the box itself. You have a picture of Red Sonja in the front. In the back, you just kind of have her logo. So really loving it. And actually, red is my favorite color, so you know, this is why I probably like it even more. Man, I am really excited to do this unboxing. I've been waiting a long time for this. Okay, cool. Wait, what's this? Wow, Sideshow actually gave us an instruction guide. This is a first, guys. You know, they're trying to step up their game, so they are listening. Okay, you want the Sideshow logo on top. And let's use this bad boy. Alright. Oh, I could smell it, guys. I could smell the new statue smell. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. And before I do the smelling, I want to dedicate this sniff to Centauri Stir Fry. Centauri Stir Fry actually has a YouTube channel. And me and him are kind of like, we have this little like inside joke about, you know, smelling the statues. So here's, this one's for you, dude, and congratulations to the new addition to your family. Oh, yes, the smell of heaven. That one's for you, buddy. All right, so let's do some close-up video of everything packaged inside the box, and we'll move on from there. Okay guys, so here is the packaging for Red Sonja. And as you can see, everything's packaged really well, including her head. That looks amazing. You got the arrows, the sword. Here's the base. I think that might be the exclusive war banner. So really packaged really well. I'm really impressed, Sideshow. Bam, bam, bam. All right. Damn, that is one cool looking skull. Oh, geez. Oh, that's awesome, guys. Wow. Damn, that skull is like detailed. The paint application on of the blood is really cool. I just kind of wish that there was a little bit more like blood coming out of his neck. but that's pretty cool. That's awesome. Wow. Now, that is a body. This one goes like right there. All right, so it fits perfectly into the slot. There is no gap, thank goodness. Damn, guys. Woo! This looks beautiful, or should I say bootyful. This is really, oh wow. This looks amazing. The front part of the skirt is sculpted, so you gotta be careful at the bottom end. It looks like it's pretty fragile. But man, the detail on this thing looks amazing. Yo guys, you don't have to be a Red Sonja fan to pick her up. Just pick her up, man. She is looking good so far. This is the war banner. So I'm actually gonna put this to the side here. I'm gonna save that for later. This is one part of the hand. This is the hand. All right, so here are the arrows. I'm slowly taking it out. A couple of arrows go here. The arrow goes right here. I think there's a little slot here. There's two holes by the trunk, the tree trunk, and one down at the bottom over there. All right, so I think that's all the arrows. I just want to be very careful with her hair and make sure that nothing snaps off. Damn, that is tough. Damn. All right. I thought her hair would be a little bit more red, but I mean, it looks pretty good so far. All right, next is the sword. The Sword of Omen. No, I'm just kidding. All right, so take this one off. This one go. I think this one goes here. So that sword goes straight through his eye. Pretty good magnet. Here. And just go very slowly and attach the axe like that. And voila! I think I'm missing the belt. That was really annoying putting that stupid belt. But now I'm gonna put the war banner. Okay guys, so I just kind of want to show you how I put on the war banner. So I kind of like just wrap it around underneath her shoulder pauldron here. You can kind of see this little chain here. Okay, I kind of slip this part in here through the ring, and I bend one side of the war banner cloak, so just like so. And just kind of like play around with it, so looks like so. So here is Red Sonja assembled, and man, she is a beauty. Sideshow has outdone themselves this time, guys. Really, I am in such... I'm speechless. I don't even know what to say anymore. You know, the paint application all around the statue is top notch. The detail from the blood to like the skull, the sculpt of her head, the sculpt of her hair. I mean, this is a beautiful statue, guys. You cannot go wrong. Even if you're not a Red Sonja fan, I mean, if you just appreciate art, this is a must-have for anybody. And you know, this is probably one of my top statues that I own so far. And I'm not a big Red Sonja fan, you know. It's just, this is just an amazing, whoever the artist was, they did a phenomenal job with this statue. And you know, definitely if you are on the fence and picking this up, just pick it up. You're not gonna regret it. I like the war banner, and to be honest, it's not a must-have. I just picked it up because it's available. And you could actually, if you actually take off the war banner, she actually looks pretty good still. So I'm actually gonna do that right now. And there she is. She actually looks pretty good without the war banner too. She just looks badass, guys. I really hope someday that they actually make a Red Sonja movie. That will be totally awesome. The belt was probably like the most annoying part about this statue, but to be honest, besides that, everything else went pretty well. I had no QC issues. The instruction manual that they give you is worthless. I mean, to be honest, I actually went back to Sideshow's unboxing video and I wanted to see how they put on the belt, because the way they had it in the video, the belt was already put on. But for anybody that's receiving their statue, the belt is off and you actually have to put it on. So, but besides that, I mean, this is an amazing statue and I highly recommend this to anybody. Alright guys, so that wraps up my video. Thank you guys again in taking the time out of your busy schedule and watching this unboxing video. Hit that like button if you liked the video. Comment in the comments below. Let me know what you guys think about Red Sonja. Do you think that she could be female statue of the year? You know, let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe. You know, I have a lot more content coming your way. I have a lot more unboxing videos, a lot more hot toys, a lot more statues, figures, you name it. It's coming your way. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So alright guys, thank you guys again, and remember, it doesn't matter what you collect, collecting is collecting. I'm going to leave you guys with some 4K close-up video of Red Sonja. Take care.